Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create a WhatsApp group without adding contacts. Want to create a WhatsApp group without adding any of your real contacts? Here's a quick trick. While WhatsApp does require at least one contact to start a group, that contact doesn't have to be someone you know. You can simply use a placeholder contact like DeepSeek. First, tap the plus icon in the bottom right and choose New Group. Now search for DeepSeek or any saved placeholder contact and tap the arrow to proceed. Don't have a DeepSeek? No worries, just save this random number as a contact, name it DeepSeek, and use it to create your group. Once the group is created, you can remove DeepSeek from it, and just like that, you have a solo group chat for notes, reminders, or anything you need. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.